slope or gradient of a line. Slope or gradient of a line. If a line makes angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, this is positive direction of x-axis, this is line L that makes angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. So we know the angle measured in the anti-clockwise direction is considered as positive. So here the angle is measured in the anti-clockwise direction, this direction. So it is positive angle. So if the line makes angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then theta is called inclination of the line. Inclination of the line L. So if line L makes angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, that angle theta is called inclination of the line. And the inclination theta will be always between 0 and 180, including 0 and 180. So 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 180 degree. And if the inclination of the line is theta, then the slope of the line is defined as tan theta. Tan theta. And slope is always denoted by m, small letter m. So if theta is the inclination of a line, then the slope of the line is defined as tan theta. Very important definition. Slope of a line L is defined as tan theta, where theta is the inclination of the line. That means theta is the angle which the line makes with the positive direction of x-axis. So that is slope of the line, and it is always denoted by m, tan slope m. Now what is slope of x-axis? So if you know the angle theta, we can write slope m equal to tan theta. So in the case of x-axis, what is the angle which x-axis makes with x-axis? That is 0. So when we consider slope of x-axis or slope of any line parallel to x-axis, then slope will be 0 because the angle made by that x-axis with x-axis, that is 0. So if theta is equal to 0, slope m equal to tan theta, that is equal to tan theta is 0. So tan 0, we know tan 0 is 0. So slope of x-axis or slope of any line parallel to x-axis makes angle 0 degree with x-axis. So in that case, slope of the line is slope of x-axis or slope of any line parallel to x-axis is 0. And when we consider y-axis, what is the angle which y-axis makes with positive direction of x-axis? That is 90 degree. So in that case, what is slope of y-axis? Slope of y-axis is equal to tan 90. So in the case of y-axis, theta equal to 90 degree because y-axis, angle between y-axis and x-axis, that is 90 degree. So theta equal to 90. Inclination of y-axis is 90 degree. So slope of y-axis is tan 90. Tan 90, that is equal to not defined. That is infinity, or we can say not defined. So slope of y-axis is not defined. Similarly, slope of any line parallel to y-axis, that is also not defined. So slope of x-axis or slope of any line parallel to x-axis is 0. But slope of any line parallel to y-axis or slope of y-axis is not defined. So that is what, so study the definition of inclination and slope. So inclination of a line means the angle which that line makes with positive direction of x-axis. That is called inclination of the line. And if the inclination of the line is theta, slope of that line is defined as m equal to tan theta. Tan theta, very important definition. Slope of a line, m equal to tan theta, very important definition. Then slope of x-axis, that you have to remember, slope of x-axis is 0 and slope of y-axis is not defined. Then we can find the slope of a line when the coordinates of any 2 points on it are x1, y1 and x2, y2. That we can find. What will be the slope of a line? If we know the coordinates of any 2 points on the line are x1, y1 and x2, y2, that we can find. So consider any 2 points on the line. Consider any 2 points on this line. So let it be, this is the point A, x1, y1. This is the point B, x2, y2. So these are any 2 points. Let A and B be any 2 points on the line L. and coordinates of A x1 y1, coordinates of B x2 y2. So this is the origin, and if you draw perpendicular from A to x-axis, draw perpendicular to x-axis, it will be AM, and from B draw perpendicular to x-axis, let it be BN, and from A draw perpendicular to this BN, that is let it be AR. Perpendicular, this is perpendicular and this also perpendicular. Now we know this line makes theta, angle theta, this line makes angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. So if this angle is theta, what will be this angle? BAR, that also will be theta, because this is the AR is parallel to x-axis and this is the transversal. So corresponding angles are equal. Therefore this angle theta and this angle theta, both these angles are equal. So this angle is also theta. Now consider the triangle ARB. In triangle ARB, in triangle ARB, angle BAR equal to theta, which is the inclination of the line. Now angle BAR is theta. So can you say what will be length of AR and what will be length of BR? See, when we draw, we know coordinates of AR x1 and y1. So when we draw perpendicular AM to x-axis, what is OM and what is AM? OM, we know OM equal to x coordinate of the point A. OM is the, from A we draw perpendicular. So OM is same as x coordinate of A, that is x1. And what is y coordinate of, OM is the x coordinate of A, x1. And what is AM? AM is the y coordinate. And AM equal to y1. Now what about, we know coordinates of B, x2, y2. And BN is perpendicular to x-axis. So what is ON and what is BN? ON is the x coordinate of B. And BN is the y coordinate of B. So ON is equal to x2. So ON is equal to x2 and BN is equal to y2. Therefore, what is AR? We want to find AR. AR equal to, this AR is same as MN. That is equal to MN. That is equal to ON minus OM. And ON is equal to x2 minus MN. What is MN? See, MN. We are finding MN. MN equal to ON minus OM. ON, that is, ON is x2 and OM is x1. So x2 my OM is x1. x2 minus x1. Similarly, what is BR? We want to find BR. BR equal to, this BR, this is same as BN. BN minus RN. BN minus RN. That is equal to BN. What is BN? BN equal to Y2. Y2 minus. What is RN? See, RN is same as AM. What is AM? AM equal to Y1. So we got BR equal to Y2 minus Y1. Then, now we want to find slope of the line. Slope of the line means slope of the line is tan theta. We know if theta is the inclination of the line, then slope of that line is m equal to tan theta. So the slope of the line is tan theta. So in that triangle ARB, right triangle ARB, what is tan theta? This angle is, angle BAR is theta. So what is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. So BR by AR. So in triangle tan theta equal to BR divided by AR. That is equal to BR Y2 minus Y1. Y2 minus Y1. And AR. AR is X2 minus X1. So that is what the slope of the line. So the coordinates of any two points on the line are X1, Y1 and X2, Y2. Then slope of the line M equal to Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. So we got tan theta equal to Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. So that is the very important formula, slope of the line. When the coordinates of any two points on the line are X1, Y1 and X2, Y2, then slope equal to Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. So that is very important formula. So you've studied two formula for slope of a line. One formula, if we know inclination of a line is theta, then slope of the line is tan theta. Second formula, if you know any two points or the coordinates of any 2 points on the line are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then the slope of that line is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is y2. So from the coordinates we can substitute these values. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So that is the slope of the line. So we studied two formula. Study that formula.